This sports floor in Carlow involved a range of our services, from moisture testing the concrete slab to ensure it was at a correct level ready for the sports floor. Then we surveyed the concrete to make sure it was flat enough so there was no undue undulations in the concrete itself. Installation of the sports floor then occurred, followed by line marking and skirting and door thresholds throughout. One of the best sports floors out there is a Junckers Sports Floor. These are all Junckers systems with a Junckers board on top. The Junckers board is very, very hard. It's pressurized beech, which is stronger, harder than maple. And the system is put together where your end joints land on boards. They have a marking system, a varnish system, everything to do, they specialize in it. So if you're interested in a sports floor or want general knowledge or know about refinishing, line marking and so on, call me today. Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors, 087 62 68 100. That's 087 62 68 100. Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors.